Welcome to our channel. In this video I'll show you how to copy Facebook post link. For this you have to open the Facebook app and then log into your account. Then if you find a post that you want to share with your friends or you want to save it by copying the link, just tap on the three dots and then you guys can find copy link. Just tap on here and you guys can see link copied successfully. It would be copied to your clipboard and then you can share the link with your friends or you can save it in your phone. See how easy it is? We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.